And the race is on. Strike Force from the outside. Stellar Race. And moving up by Darrell Prince Carlo. Four runners fighting it out for the lead. Prince Carlos with Julian, Stellar Race, Strike Force, Elgin. While Carmelita is running at the tail of the field with Julian by a length and a half. Prince Carlo. Stellar Race racing in third alongside Elgin, Strike Force, and a long way back to Carmelita. Passing the half-mile post with Julian by some 2 lengths. Prince Carlo alongside is Elgin, Stellar Race, and Strike Force joining them. And out of 4 turns with Julian by some 3 lengths. Elgin, Stellar Race is Strike Force, is Danori inside, and Prince Carlo. As they race the last 500 with Julian hanging to that 2 lengths lead is Stellar Race, Elgin, Strike Force, Danori inside. As they race the last 200 with Julian still leading by some 2 lengths. Stellar Race, Strike Force by the Elgin. And nearing the finish line, Sweet Julian racing away by some 5, and finally Sweet Julian. Stellar Race, Elgin, Strike Force, Prince Carlo, and Carmelita.